hey guys, we're going for a drive, and I just want to tell you a story. Imagine like you were driving along, you were going in your car, out of nowhere, someone like called you on your phone. Didn't know who they were. They called you up and they said, hey, like how you've been like wanting to go on that holiday, that one you really wanted to do. Hey, well, I've booked you some tickets. They're actually in your mailbox when you get home. You're good to go. You're good. And you're like, what? And just before you hang up, like, they're gone. And you're like, whoa, what was that? What happened there? And you go home and you find these tickets and like, you enjoy this holiday. It's like, wow, that was incredible. What an experience. When you're coming back from your holiday, there's someone like, you get this call on your phone again, pick up, and there's a stranger again and says, hey, that car that you always wanted to buy? Like, you wanted to get this new car and you just always wanted it? Yeah, I went ahead and it's going to be delivered to your door tomorrow morning, and there's some keys coming as well. They'll give you the keys. It's all done. Don't worry about it. And just as you're about to thank the person, they hang up. Gone. Not there. Like, whoa. What is this? And as you're coming home to your house, you're like, on the way there, this person calls you again and says, hey, by the way, I know you wanted to get that house. That one you've been wanting? I know you're going home right now. You're looking at your home, but really there's this place you wanted to be. There's this place you wanted to live, the place you wanted to go. Hey, well, just so you know, that address, if you go there right now, there's the deeds underneath the door. It's all signed. The keys are under the mat. You can just go there now. It's all done. And again, just as you're about to, hey, talk to them, bang, they're gone. And, these are the things that can happen. And these mysterious, like, just these strangers, right, that come and, like, give you the things. Who are those things? Well, it's actually real life people. That actual person, that mysterious stranger, that's your customer. That's your customer that you serve, and they give you everything that you ever wanted. And in order to get that customer and get them to keep giving you stuff, you need to solve their problems. And I've got this formula. It's like this formula I've always used. And in the middle of the night, while I'm sleeping, these mysterious strangers, they come to my website and they help, themselves, but by solving their problem, they give me money and they buy me, the things that I need, like in my life. And just like that, I'm going to give you this formula. It's 5 steps. It's like my magic formula. It's the formula I use to build Finder and build every business I've been involved with, and grow it to $100 million in sales. It's the formula, right? This formula is something you can do. I'm going to give it to you. So you can have these mysterious strangers, call you up, give you the things that you want, because it's possible. You can do it. We're going to get confident. We're going to get this going. Check it out. I'm just going to go for a drive right now, and we'll pull in and I'll give you this formula. I want to tell you about my formula that's helped us build this business to $100 million. It's the same formula I've used for every business. It's always the same. It's this one formula, and there are 5 steps to it. 5 steps. Now everyone else has their own formula. This is my formula. So the first step is to build a website. Now a lot of people, they don't use websites, they use other things. I love building a website because I think it's a really good place to host your brand and build an audience. It's the place everyone comes back to. And on that website, you're going to do step 2. Step 2 is about building content. Now this content, it's not just any old content. What you want to do is find all the problems that your customer has. We talked about this before, and you're going to write content about them. And what do I mean by that? It's like, well, you're going to write like how to do X, Y, and Z, how to find an investment property, how to, cure back pain, how to, find a great web designer, all those kind of things. These are problems people have. And then you want to move on to step 3, which is solving that problem. And solving it is your product, your solution, right? So you've found the problem, you've written about it, people have come in, you've unpacked it, and then you're going to provide them with your product or service. They're ready to go. Those people have the problem that you are looking for, and now you get to give that to them. So in the content, you build a tool, or you build a form, or whatever have you, however, you put an e-commerce site, whatever it is, the widget, the service, whatever it is you're selling, you put that on the page. Down the bottom, don't put it up front, solve that problem up the top, write about it, and then deliver your solution lower down in the page, right? That's step 3. Step 4, once you've got this website up and you've got these problems, start promoting the problems. You want to maybe build some research around this problem, or you want to make some original reporting or interview someone. You need to create some content or create some news or buy some ads and drive people to this content, to talk about this problem, to help them with it, to explain it, to inform them, to educate them. It's about promotion. That's step 4, promoting this content. So now you've got a nice little system. People are coming in and they're buying it, and it's great, right? They're reading the content, they're solving a problem with your service or product. And step 5, which is the most important one, is to make one small change and improvement every single day. And what do I mean by that? I mean, you're going to improve the website just slightly, improve that piece of content and make it, it pop better, make the headline work better, make the images look better, make the diagrams more explainable, make your form easier to digest, easier to click, easier to fill in. Every day, you're going to make one small change. And you need to commit to that for at least 90 days. 90 days commitments, 90 small changes. And small change is just something small that you've improved today that's better tomorrow. And each of those will be maybe, 0.5% or say 1% improvement. But if you do 1% improvement for 90 days, you get 90% improvement. That's massive. It's obviously, the maths are obviously bigger than that, it'll compound. But one small change a day, that's all you want. So let's give you an example of that. So when I started Credit Card Finder, it was just a small website. I put it up, it was a couple of pages. And every day we wrote about the problems people are having. So one classic example is we wrote about how does 55 days interest-free actually work? Because, credit cards are pretty complicated, right? And people would come in and read about this guide. Then on the page, we showed them a list of credit cards which had 55 days interest-free. So that was the solution, right? And then we promoted this on the internet through Google Ads and things like that. And then step 5, every day we improved that template. We improved that guide, made it slightly better, put a calendar on there to show a diagram of how it worked. Every single day we made one small change. Just like that small example, over time, that formula has been the same formula I've used for every single business. Everything I'm always involved with, that's the formula I use. Now, everyone has their own formula. That is my $100 million formula. So right now, what you want to try and do is think of those problems, put up a page of content, put your solution on there, give it a go, let me know how you go. Now, if you need some tools with this, you need some help, because these days, we were back in 99, there were no tools, there were no templates. Now there are, and they'll speed you up dramatically. I think Shopify now, for example, gives you 2 weeks free. You can get a domain name. I'm going to put all these tools, these lists of software on my site. There's a link to it down below. Download it. It's a free download. It's up to you. It's yours. Take it, use it. These are the same tools I use. It's the way to go. So anyone can do this. You can do it as well. You can build this site, build content. There are tools that make it a lot easier these days. And just like that mysterious stranger, your customers are going to come to you every day And they're going to be the ones that are going to give you and buy you the things that you need. You need to serve them every single day. Talk to them, understand what their problems are, and continuously run this formula day in, day out. If you want to take your business to the next level, immersion and understanding information is really important, right? Really surrounding yourself with that. And what I've got is this course. We're working on this. It's my formulas, it's my toolbox, it's my kit. If you're keen, come and join us in the course. Oh, by the way, that's right. Remember, the end of this week, there's a live Q&A you can get as a bonus. If you sign up this week, grab the course, come and join us. Don't do this alone. Let's do it all together and start to get confident about building and starting your business right now. That's what you're going to get from this course. This course is my playbook. I'll show you how it all works. Join us for the live Q&A. It's going to be great. It's those little answers that you need. Sign up right now. Check it out, guys.